How much do movers cost? You have chosen a new home and are getting ready to move. Probably you have heard a lot about moving companies and collected recommendations about reliable movers. How much do movers cost? Actually, there are different models of calculating moving costs, flat rates and rates per hour. The average cost of movers may vary significantly based on multiple factors, including the distance of your move, the overall size of your belongings, whether you need packing services or not. Average moving cost. As a rule, local moves are charged at hourly rates, and the total costs depend on the size of your move. For long-distance moves, flat rates are usually applied, and the estimation depends on weight, the scope of work, and distance. Here is an estimate of our average cost of moving services. How much do movers cost per hour? Typically, movers charge from $25 to $50 per hour, per mover for short-distance moves. The average cost of movers per hour, full-service moves, is as follows. Some moving companies add additional fees, such as packing supplies fees, if requested, oversized furniture fees, and high and/or narrow staircases. Local movers cost. When you move within the same city or to another one located nearby, the relocation is called a short distance or local move. However, the scope of work and the stress level are pretty much the same, just the price tag might be a bit lower. How much do movers cost for a local move? As you can see, the average cost of our movers is quite reasonable. And if you're looking for a more accurate estimate, contact us, and we'll be happy to provide you with a quote. How much do long-distance movers cost? Fair enough. Long-distance moves are more complicated and expensive as they require more gas, tolls, and extra fees for drivers because the trip can take more than one day. See here our average long-distance moving rates. The best moving companies usually offer free online quotes and free virtual and in-person estimation services so that you could shape your moving budget. Movers and packers cost. If you want to keep down moving costs and you are ready to pack on your own, you can save from $900 to $1,500. In this case, your expenses will be lower than the average. Packing costs depend on the size of the move. Fragile items and artwork require special packing and increase packing costs. Full-service movers usually provide a free quote that includes packing, disassembly, reassembly of large furniture items, carrying, transportation, and unpacking at a new place. One of the benefits of movers packing your items is insurance, when a moving company is responsible for packing, so it is liable for any potential damages. Are you planning to move? Get in touch with us to get a free quote and move safely.